My daughter and her husband have just bought their first EV, this 2022 Tesla Model 3, and the first accessory we're fitting in this car is a set of 3W car mats. So in the car are the original carpet mats. Well, I think these are the original Tesla carpet mats, and there's a few issues with these. Firstly, they move when you get out. When your feet twist on these and you get out of the car, they move around, even though they've got Velcro in the corners. That's not enough to keep them in place. And of course, a flat carpet mat isn't going to contain all the dirt. And also with the Tesla mats, this footrest flap doesn't stay in place. It's not so bad on this one. That is still sort of just about holding up there, but often you find this is down on the floor like this, or just getting in the way. So what I'm going to install are these custom fit mats from 3W Autolife. So first I've got to whip out the original Tesla mats, front and back, and then give the carpets a good vacuum. So depending on your car, you can get these in different versions. This is obviously the dual layer version, so you get both the rubber mat and the carpet liner inside. And for the Model 3, you can get various different kits. This is the full 6-piece kit. So you've got a driver side mat, a passenger side mat, a mat for the underfloor storage in the boot and the frunk. You've got the rear mat, and then you've got the boot liner. And these are obviously custom made and model specific. So let's drop in the driver's mat. And on this there's two tags here, which is obviously going to hook under the plastic trim there. So that ensures there's no gap there and the mat is a tight fit. And you've now got no issues with a bit of carpet flopping off the footrest here, and that will lay flat over time. That's only where it's been folded up in the box. And these 3W mats are just a wonderful fit, the way that profiles round the footwell in the car, and this tray is going to capture all the dirt, all the stones, and keep the original carpets nice and clean. This channel has had over 15 million views, yet only has 40,000 subscribers, whereas it should be 3 to 4 times that, because over 90% of the viewers are not subscribed. Please do, it's completely free, it's only a click for you, and it really does help. And then the passenger mat, even doing this one-handed while holding the camera, just a doddle to fit. And this will lay flat over time. That's only where it's been folded in the box again. And we've got 3 lugs here, which we've just got to push under the plastic trim. And that sits in there perfectly. Now for the rear one, this is going to be difficult to do one-handed while holding the camera. And that just lays in there, and again, is a perfect fit. So when it comes to the boot, we've obviously got the mat that's going to protect the carpet there, and then another mat for the underfloor storage bin. So that one goes down in there. And then we can put the boot liner in. And this is nice. It forms like a sort of tray here, so any dirt or stones are going to stay in that area. You've got access to the tag here to get to your underfloor storage. And again, it fits really well. That's covering all the original carpet to properly protect it. This will fit a bit better once it's had a chance to flatten out, because again, it's just come out of the box and it was all folded up. And now for the final one in the frunk, but I just need to vacuum out that rubbish first. So this is a good example where the new 3W mat is going to help, because this is a tray, so it's going to collect all the dirt. So in future you can lift this out, give it a shake, and your frunk is clean. And there we go, that's the final one done. In the pack you also get some instruction cards, a user manual, and a couple of air fresheners. So I'll just hang that up there for her. If you need to, you can pop out the carpet section if you've got particularly muddy boots. They're easy to clean, and a quick rinse brings up the TPE mat to like new every time. The mats grip the original carpet and stay in place when you're getting in and out. The dual layer versions are particularly nice because you have an all-weather TPE mat which acts like a tray to keep in all the dirt, and the carpet insert so you still get the luxury feel of carpet. These 3W mats are the best car mats I've ever used, and they're worth every penny, and that is why they're the first accessory to go into my daughter's Model 3. 3W Autolife don't just make mats for Teslas, and they're currently running its Prime Day floor mat sale, featuring some of the biggest discounts of the year on custom fit floor mats. Be sure to check out the links in the description and use my discount code to save on your next set of floor mats. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you on the next one. If you like the video, please do click the thumbs up button, and leaving a comment also helps too. Plus, of course, subscribe if you're not. If the video saved you time or money, a little support via Ko-fi or the Super Thanks button would mean a lot. There's over 1,300 videos on the channel, so have a browse, use the search, and have a look at the playlists. And here's 2 videos you may want to check out.